What's up, top ravers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of car enthusiasts, guys. It's been a week since we dropped a walk-around video, and now we finally have the Creta King Edition, the all-new King Edition. This is a limited edition variant from Hyundai. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, guys. And if you're planning on buying any Hyundai car, Saini Hyundai is the place to be. The address of the showroom will be in the description. Concerned person's number will be on the screen. Guys, when it comes to buying a new car, it is both exciting and scary. That's where Pitlane comes in. Our pre-delivery inspection services ensures we don't miss out on anything. We will ensure that your car goes through a rigorous quality check process before you take the delivery of your brand new car. And if you're confused on which particular car you want to buy depending on your use case, that's where we come in again, guys. We also provide car buying consultancy services where we ensure that you buy the right car from the right brand and drive away with the right variant, guys. Reach out to the number on the screen, guys, and book your consultancy service and PDI service today. Let's get started with this video. Guys, let's get started with the video of the Hyundai Creta all-new King Edition. This is the key in front of us, guys. Your functions are your boot opening. You can start the car with the key itself, unlock and lock buttons. And your Hyundai logo has been provided at the back. Decent looking key in my opinion. Let us understand what does this car have on offer for us on the exterior at first. So from the outside, of course, is the same. There's no cosmetic change, as you can see. You get that same LED bar in the front. Your high beam and low beam is finished in LED lights as well. You get reflector LED lamps with this. Front parking camera, 4 parking sensors, towing hook has been provided here below. And this is what it is from the front, guys. Pretty much the same. You get lots of cuts and creases on the bonnet. And let us understand what's underneath the hood. So as you can see, insulation has been provided. This is the 1.5 liter setup which runs 115 horsepower and 143 Newton meters of torque. This is the N engine setup, guys. This is your engine layout below. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? The bonnet is actually pretty heavy. Feels very solid for sure. You get level 2 ADAS with this. Your radar is located below, and of course your camera is on the screen, and of course a dash cam is also included with this particular variant. Comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which we'll go inside and explore in a moment. You can see this is an all new edition, guys. We get all new 18-inch wheels, but Hyundai fans will know this rim design used to come in the earlier Alcazar, guys, the first gen Alcazar. So that's a new addition in this particular variant of the Hyundai Creta, guys. Get nice 18-inch rims with disc brakes in the front. 215 55 R18 is the profile, guys. Auto badging here, as this is the CVT variant. Blind spot monitoring setup, turn indicators on the ORVMs, chrome finish door handles, request sensor for the driver, and a keyhole slot has been provided. Blacked out B pillar, body color A pillar, non-functional roof rails with a panoramic setup, and a blacked out shark fin antenna, guys. Looks pretty neat. No request sensor for the rear. Disc brakes for the rear wheels as well. The wheel design is really nice in my opinion. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section. 4 parking sensors for the rear, guys. King badging has been provided here. It is not very ambitious like we have the night edition badging. It's very simple and sober. What are your thoughts about this badging? Do let me know. Get that connected setup for the rear for your rear LED lights, rear wiper, rear defogger, high mounted stop lamp. All that is of course provided. Backlight has been placed below here, and this is your Hyundai logo in the middle. Creta badging given as well. This is what it is in terms of rear profile. Let us open the boot. You get 433 liters of boot space. Parcel tray has been given. 60/40 split, warning triangle. Light has been provided. You get space here. Subwoofer setup. Below you get a spare wheel, which is of course a steel rim. 215 60 R17, and this is your tool kit in the middle, guys. Let us close this, and this is what it is in the boot setup. Fuel lid on the left, and no request sensor for the left side passenger. You get 8-way power adjustable seat option for the left side passenger as well, guys. So electronically adjustable seats have been provided with this variant of the Creta. What are your thoughts about the exterior though? Do let me know in the comments section. Of course, there are no design changes, but there are certain feature additions in this particular variant. And this is a limited edition variant, guys, called the Creta King. This is basically based on the SXO itself. So let's get inside and not delay and understand what's on offer in the interiors in terms of comfort, features, and overall ambience. Before we get inside, guys, this car will cost you 18,68,000 ex showroom. I believe you should get frameless wipers instead of the regular standard wipers that you get. But anyway, it is what it is, guys. Let's get inside quickly. Now, the best part is both the driver and the left side passenger get welcome and goodbye function for the seats. 8-way electronically adjustable seats have been provided. Your fuel lid opening knob has been provided below here, and your bonnet opening knob has been given there, guys. You don't get metal pedals with this. You get door handle storage, which is pretty nice. This car comes with memory seat function as well, this particular variant. You get one touch down and up only for the driver. Rest are standard. Window lock and unlock function, door lock and unlock function, and your mirrors are of course auto folding and electronically adjustable. Door storage is pretty nice. You get a Bose speaker setup with this particular variant. Let's understand the functions that you get. You get engine start stop, auto start stop, traction control, front parking sensor on and off, and of course your headlight adjuster. Here is your magnet. Let's close the door and understand. So of course, see, the seat is moving forward, so you do get that memory function. Paddle shifters have been provided, and flat bottom steering wheel, nice leather wrap. You get that gray and beige finish in the interior, which is really nice, gives a nice airy feeling as well. Get this bronze or copper element, you want to call it, placed here on the corner of the infotainment. Center speaker has been given. Auto dimming IRVM, SOS, breakdown and blue link function. Sunglass holder, and of course this is for your panoramic sunroof setup. And you get vanity mirror for the left side passenger, ticket holder for the driver, voice command mode, calling, custom button, volume up and down, track change. You get your lane keep assist, cruise control, collision warning. Your ADAS functions have been provided on the right, and this is to toggle your MID. When you talk about the steering adjustment, guys, it is telescopic and tilt, guys. So both reach and rake functions are there on the steering wheel. Quality is actually pretty good. Let us start the car. And there you can see the animation. It's pretty nice, very premium, low fuel warning hum log ko dikha raha hai. So of course we are in the showroom right now, and as you can see, blind spot safety system has been switched off, so you can switch it on later. So when you use the right indicator, of course you can see the view of the right side, and for the left you can see the view of the left side, and it's very seamless, very slick. There's very minimal delay, and it's very premium to look at also. So this is a connected setup, 10.25 inch infotainment, 10.25 inch instrument cluster, which we've already explored. Is the same layout, same UI. There's nothing different. So as you can see, guys, in this variant we get drive modes, drive and traction. You can see this knob here, and the moment we change it, your screen theme also changes. And there you go. This is your eco, this is your normal, and this is your sport. Let us press OK. These are the three modes that you get with this particular variant, and your theme also changes accordingly. Of course, sports mode is going to be our favorite, definitely. And what else you get in the center console? Nice storage, wireless charging pad, USB-C, USB-A, 12-watt charging socket, all three options. As you can see, this is your CVT gearbox setup. You get your PR&D modes, and your sport mode function is also given. Ventilated seat function, you can set the intensity for both the driver and the left side passenger. This is for your camera, guys. Check it out. Camera quality is actually pretty good. And this is your bird's eye view. You can zoom out and zoom in. Those options are given. And this is free use camera option, where you can toggle it with your finger and set the angle as per your comfort when you're parking the vehicle. And it's very slick, very responsive. There's no lag, no delay, nothing, guys. Gives a nice premium feel for sure. And this is your rear view, and you get various views. This is your top rear view, this is your wider rear view, and this is for your side, guys, left and side. So all those options have been provided, and you can of course rotate the camera as per your comfort when needed. So the camera quality is actually very nice, very good, very slick infotainment. And if you want to know what all is there in this in terms of functions, I've done a deep dive on the infotainment already. I'll place the link on the screen, and you can go and check it out, guys. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that has been provided. You get dual zone climate control setup with this. This is what you get in terms of your functions. In the middle, you can navigate your stereo with these buttons on the top. You can also navigate your AC functions from here and from the infotainment itself as well. So all these functions have been provided. You get two cup holders in the middle. Armrest storage is really nice and practical, and the armrest is of course slidable, leather wrap, orange stitching, and you get orange stitching on the seats as well. This is also leather wrap, guys. Quality is actually very good. Seat comfort is nice. Storage here, grippy storage you get, and the glove box is cooled and decently practical as well, guys. This is what it is from the front. Let's get to the second row and understand what's on offer there. So as we enter the second row, guys, you can see we get sunshades, door handle storage, window button function, Bose speaker on the door, and decent door storage for the second row. Of course, the doors in the front get more storage compared to what you get in the second row, guys. Let's get inside. Closing the door. Knee room, foot room, all that is pretty well sorted in this car. This car is actually very spacious. You get seat pockets. Both seats get seat pockets, and of course you get a tray. Okay, and let me just, yeah, there you go. You get a tray on both seats, guys, so you get that business class experience with the King Edition Creta. You feel like a king in the King Creta. Here you get storage, 2 USB-C charging sockets for the second row, 2 rear AC vents for the second row, 3-point seat belt, isofix mounts on both sides, 2 adjustable headrests only, nice panoramic sunroof, though it's really dirty right now, but you get a massive panoramic sunroof. This is your dash setup. Let me know what you guys think. Looks really premium and upmarket for sure in my opinion, guys. Armrest you get with 2 cup holders. It's a little difficult to pull it down right now, but that's the story. Cabin lights, grab handle, all that has been given. No hook has been provided though. You get height adjusting seat belt option with the Hyundai Creta King Edition for both the driver and the left side passenger, guys. This is what it is overall as to what you get in the King Edition of the Creta at an ex-showroom price of 18,68,000. Let's get outside and conclude our video. So before we conclude, guys, once again, buying a new car can be an exciting and scary experience at the same time. At Pitlane, we make sure your dream car is delivered exactly the way it should be. Flawless. Our pre-delivery inspection service catches what the showroom might miss, and our car buying consultancy helps you pick the right variant, get the right deal, and drive with total confidence, guys. Now, speaking of the King Edition, the Creta King Edition truly lives up to its royal name with its bold 18-inch diamond cut alloys, dark chrome grille, dual zone climate control, ventilated seats, dash cam. It's designed to rule the roads in style and comfort. So before you bring your King home, let Pitlane make sure it's worthy of the crown, guys. Pitlane is where your car buying journey begins like a king. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.